These are Creed Aventus dupes level 1 to 100, and I'm about to rank them all. I'm ranking each of these Aventus clones based on a weighted score, which means we're combining ratings and votes to see which one truly deserves the crown. And we're starting at level 1 to see who makes it to the top and who gets left behind. At level 1, from Spirit of Kings, we got Matar. Now this one has a 4.23 rating on Fragrantica and has 140 upvotes. Some would say that this is like the beginner's version of an Aventus clone. It's solid, but not the most popular kid on the block. Now don't get me wrong, it has some good elements to it, but let's just say it's not making its way to the top, so we're moving on. Next up, at level 10, we got Vivamore from Navitas Parfums. Now with the Fragrantica rating of 4.15 and 185 votes, this one has a solid background. Now I would say that this one still flies under the radar unless you're in the know, but to me, this one's not truly an Aventus clone. This one smells like Aventus and Baccarat Rouge 540 got together after a wild night and had a baby. Now, if you were purchasing this one to be an Aventus clone, then you might not want to add this to cart, but if you were looking for something great, then click away. At level 20 from Parfums, we got Orchid Man. Sitting at a 4.07 rating at 541 votes, it's not bad at all. It just feels like it missed that classic Aventus punch. It's bergamot, patchouli, and leather. It's good, but it sits just outside of the middle of the pack, so don't expect it to win any awards today. Level 30 brings us London by English Laundry. With a 4.03 rating, 317 votes, this is a super affordable alternative and twist on Creed Aventus. That said, this one does lack some of that depth and sophistication that you would get from some of those other Aventus clones. It's decent if you're just starting out, but we're not going to linger here much longer. Now, we're getting somewhere. At level 40, we got bar9.com, also known as HTTP. With a 4.26 rating and 306 votes, this is where things get real. Now, this one does have a sophisticated edge, but it's just shy of being one of the big dogs in the game when it comes to Aventus clones. Now, I think that's likely because this one is rooted in this creamy element that's missing in Aventus and Aventus Cologne and Aventus Absolute. However, this fragrance is phenomenal, but if you're looking for that top tier Aventus clone, it's missing just a bit. But don't sleep on it, it's still a solid fragrance. Now, this next one hurts my heart because if it wasn't for this rating system, I would have placed it higher on the list. At level 50 from Parfums Vintage, we have Pineapple Vintage Intense. At a 5.25 rating, 385 votes, this brings that juicy pineapple vibe that just makes it a crowd favorite. It's definitely got the right notes and the right breakdown, but some people feel that this one slightly misses the mark when it comes to being that upper echelon fragrance. And when you see some of the others, it makes me say, But the ranking system is what the ranking system is. So therefore, at level 50, we have Pineapple Vintage Intense. At level 60, we have Lattafa's Rave Now. This one has a 4.25 rating and 563 votes, and this is the perfect blend of fruit and smoky. It's quickly becoming a reliable option in the world of Aventus clone fragrances, especially when you consider the price. So be sure to be on the lookout for this one if you're looking for a solid contender. Now here's where things step up. At level 70, we have Mancera's Cedrat Bois. Now this one does have a ton of ratings, but it has been around longer than most of the other fragrances that we've talked about. And because of that, along with it being a great fragrance, it's accumulated a massive following. It's like that sneaky clone that you'll get to see in a lot of fragrance collections out there. It's citrus forward with a ton of depth, and it also has a lot of woods here as well, and therefore this one is a solid competitor. At level 80 from Nichane, we have Hacivat. With a 4.35 rating and 7,380 votes, This one is a beast. To me, this one was love at first sniff. It's fresh, it's vibrant, and I would say that this is close to the original, but it does do its own thing. In addition to that traditional DNA, you get a lot of oak moss in this scent, and that does come off as one of those key notes and ingredients in this scent versus some of that pineapple and bergamot. So altogether, it's a phenomenal fragrance and up there on the list of fragrances that smell like Aventus, but this one does its own thing. At level 90, Mont Blanc Explorer is a solid contender. This one starts off zesty with this instant burst of bergamot and pink pepper, really creating this fragrance that instantly draws people in. As it further develops, you get some of that leather and you also get some of that wood here that tie into that spice, giving it an overall sophisticated feel. Plus, this one comes with an amazing price point, and because of that, people often flock to it, making it an obvious choice. And finally, at level 100, we got the king of all Aventus clones, and this one is Armauve Club de Nuit Intense Man. Now, I know what you might be thinking, yo B, those other fragrances smell far better than this one, and that may be true, but this one has a 4.15 rating, and that comes on the heel of over 18,000 votes. So let's just say that this clone has earned its space in the top spot. It's affordable, it smells great, and some would say that it's almost identical to the real deal. Now personally, although I do like this fragrance, I would say that there's some others that smell closer. But all things considered, when you look at price point, closeness, ease of use, and also availability, this one surely takes the cake. If you haven't tried this one out, you may be doing yourself a disservice because level 100 is top tier. Now, if you like this video, then click here to see what happened when I picked up cheap clone fragrances from Temu.